Hey, this is Rama from Creations Landscape Designs. I am at the South Coast Plaza Spring Garden Show, and I wanted to show you what some of the display gardens look like. But before I do that, I make videos about drought-tolerant plants, California native plants, sustainability, a bit of art, and anything and everything in between. So if you'd like to get more of that content in your feed, then hit the red subscribe button. Now, when I show you these gardens, I'm not really going to give you my commentary. You're more than welcome to tell me what you think of each garden in the description of the video. And the second and third floor has various booths that sell different types of plant material, from indoor plants, succulents, orchids, etc. I will not be showing that just because there isn't really much. Alright, let's do this. So this is the first garden. I guess you could kind of call this a minimalistic design. Hopefully you can hear me. Designed by Pacific Breeze Landscape in collaboration with Site One and Macy's. I will say, having done this before twice, it is a lot of work, so the less work you can make for yourself, the better. So this is the second garden from Easton Designs and Consulting and West Elm.
Yeah, so it was supposed to spill.
Oh.
This is the third design by Artisan Outdoor and Crate and Barrel. This is the fourth garden by Camille.
Yeah, they'll have it out there. It's pretty common. I mean, she likes to use.
And CB2?
Yeah, that's dusty. We use kind of. And then there's another one back there that's called. Yes. Yeah, that was fun. We actually.
So this garden is by Perfect Circle Garden and Interiors with Pottery Barn and Williams Sonoma. This garden is by Skyline Landscape and Hardscape in collaboration with Pottery Barn.
The thing is with our bag.
Okay, this garden is by Urban Ecology Studio in collaboration with Pottery Barn. This is the last garden by Tulip Landscape Corp with Sur la Table. Okay, this last garden
Oh, cool.
is Saddleback Community College with CB2.
Use a CAD and a sketch.
Okay.
I do believe this is the only garden that just might be exclusively California native plants. From Ceanothus Dark Star to Dr. Herd Manzanita, Cleveland Sage, Palo Verde. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is the centerpiece display.